In this video, we will discuss Inv.II, After Sale Service, New Repair Menu. By using New Repair Menu, you can enter data when you finish service for the repair orders from your customers. And without having to enter data through New Repair Order menu, you can directly go to New Repair Menu and directly enter data, or you can use Repair Order button in the middle and load the data that you entered in Repair Order module and apply the data to easily enter data. So let's discuss how to enter data in New Repair Menu. In Date field, select the date that the actual repair was carried out, and enter the corresponding customer and enter the person in charge. And by using Repair Type field, you can categorize the repairs carried out in your company. You can click the magnifying glass and first register the corresponding repair types, like if you offer part replacing or full refurbishing, you can enter the types to repair type codes by using New button. Set the code and type name and save. And after setting up all the required type codes, you can select one, and then later you'll be able to search and sort data by each repair type. And this field will be also useful if you have multiple steps of repair, like first step of repair and then second repair, third repair, and so forth. And by using title and repair details fields, you can enter the detailed information of each repair, like what parts were input, or how much cost was generated, or who was in charge, and any remarks. And you can also attach files or ERP data or group error post, whichever is related to this repair, by using File field. And after entering all fields at the top area, you can go to the bottom and enter the items that are subject to this repair. You can manually search and apply item codes, but also you can refer to the past transactions, past repairs, by using View Trends button. By selecting each row, you can directly apply the row to the input screen. So coffee machine red will be applied to the input screen. And please note that these are the details of repaired items, and in order to enter the items and components consumed for this repair, you need to use linked slip button. So these are separate entry. These items are repaired output item, and by using linked slip sales button, you can enter the items that were consumed for this repair. In order to create sales slip, you can click New, but then the program will require to first save the slip. So I will save. And then New Sales window will pop up. In Customer field and Location Warehouse field will be automatically entered based on the information that you entered in New Repair input screen. And you can enter the consumed parts at the bottom area. For example, let's say you consumed battery parts for this repair. And if this repair is free of charge, you can leave the price to 0. But if the repair was paid repair, enter the corresponding price. For example, $3, and save. And also, in addition to parts consumption, you can add the charge for your service by entering additional row. For example, you can register an item for your service fee, and when registering items like this, which lack any quantity or form, you can click New button to directly register a new item here. And when you register an item code for your services, you can select Intangible Merchandise in Item Category field, since the item will be excluded from your quantity control. So please note that you need to select Intangible Merchandise category. Then, if you click Save, the corresponding data will be created together with this repair slip. So this is how to use linked slip button. And when you save this repair slip, if you loaded a repair order to create this repair slip, you can use Change Progress Status checkbox and change the progress status of the corresponding repair order slip to the desired one. So let's say you load a repair order which is under progress and you change it to finished status. Then if you click Save and go to Repair List menu, you can find that the status of the corresponding repair and repair order has been modified to finished. And in the list, you can view various other details like date, linked repair order number, and you can print out the corresponding receipt for repair service and the details of the actual repair. You can send it via email to customers or print out the repair in a hard copy.